Yep, welcome back to a market review. Before I start, hop on the server. Link is in the description. And yeah, let's not waste any more time. Um, on the daily, it's not on the daily. Relative equal lows taken out. So XQ. Relative equal lows taken out. We come higher. So we have either two scenarios that would happen. We either come up into this fair value gap and then rebalance that completely, or we sweep this and then come even lower because we still have more draws to the downside down here. I was expecting a run higher like we did here, and then for us to form a model, which we did, and then go lower. I did take it on ES, so if we zoom in here, we have SMT at the highs, buy side is taken, fair value gap, and we tap into that here. And then on the 1 minute, I took it here. So we have that structure shift, fair value gap, taken that all the way down. The take profit was these relative equal lows at London. We never got that. And today's mistake was that I didn't take a partial. And I don't know why at the time I didn't think of taking partials, but I definitely should have. All right. It had this hourly fair value gap here, which was, just mark this out, which was also in the dealing range low to high inside a discount. So I should have taken a partial there. We reject off of that hourly gap coming into this Sunday opening gap. So let's refresh that because one of our candles are missing. All right, so we reject off this hourly gap and come higher. I'm expecting this whole gap to be rebalanced too. It's possible for a PM session trade because on the 15-minute we've got our structure shift. If we have a fair value gap here and then we reject off of that, we could look for something in the PM session, but otherwise the stay is done. Let's go back to the 15-minute and draw out that Sunday gap on ES. And yeah, we still have yet to rebalance that gap here. I think I will be trading in the PM session, but it really depends if this 15-minute gap is respected or not, or this one, yeah, even. I'm expecting some sort of lunch consolidation, and then for us to manipulate lower, come higher, rebalance, and that's Sunday gap. Unless NQ takes it out right now, then, well, yeah. So let's show you guys the executions. But micro, so I entered here, 3 micros, and then again on the 5-minute model here. I tried to enter here, but I didn't get the entry. I missed it basically. And then my limit order was tagged here. Buy side taken, become lower. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to realize I should be taking a partial here. Today I was too confident that I was going to go lower instead of thinking about it inside of just partialing and take profits. And that's because of the recent days. I think that's gone to me. So if I sign in here, we go to your details. Yeah, recently these trades have been a bit it's been a bit like this trade hit full TP, this trade got stopped out in trail, this trade got stopped out in trail as well. Partial on these two, then partial on this one, manually got stopped out here, and on this trade here, I got stopped out in just stopped out while I was training. These ones I used a different sort of trail strategy. This one today I should have taken partials and I didn't manage to do it. And so that's on me. If I had taken a partial there, it would have been 1 to 1.5, so that's 250. So that would have been 4 micros, so wait, 3 micros, that's 250. So around 300? 300? Wait, oh, wait, no, I'm tripping. No, 200, about 200 profit. Had I partialed, and then I would have been stopped out at the 25% area. Yeah. So overall, it wasn't a bad day in terms of the read. I think I read the market pretty well. The only thing I didn't read was that it was gonna come lower, get that hourly gap, and then come higher from there. I think that was my issue today. It could have been expected, to be honest, but I just didn't think it would do that. I didn't think it would sweep the high. I didn't think it would sweep the high and then come lower, take out the sell side, and then come higher from there. So overall, I think the draw was wrongish. But yeah. Yeah, I'm not really too sure what I could have done differently apart from just tape read today. Tomorrow is a Tuesday, so we'll be looking out. Definitely gonna put more emphasis on the tape reading. But yeah, really sucks that I didn't recognize the partial there. Anyhow, that's the end of the trade recap. Like, subscribe, join the Discord. It's in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next trade recap, possibly this PM session. So, peace.